Hi everyone, today we're gonna draw a cat in manga style. For the lesson you need ink and brushes or just marker, lead pencil and eraser. So let's start with two symmetry lines. One line will be horizontal and another vertical. Next we need to find out where will be the eyes. So we make 4 marks and check the size of the eyes. In between we will draw the eyes. We also mark the top line and the bottom line. Check are they at the same level. Add the middle line to them. So now we have all help lines to draw the eyes. And we will draw the top part of the eye. It looks like a rainbow. All help lines help us to make the eyes identical. After that, we will add bottom part of the eyes. At first it looks like a little smile, and then we connect the smile with the eyes corners. That's it. The contour of the eyes is ready. Now we may erase all help lines inside of the eyes and start to make the top eyelids. We start with the short horizontal lines above each eye and then connect them with the eye corners. It's ready. So now we leave the eyes and start to do another face features. This little nose and 2 cheeks under it. Now we need to add contour line for the face. We start with the chin and then continue towards to the eyes, and we make a 2 side part of the face, the 2 cheeks. We made side part of the face a bit higher, add the top of the head, and also we'll add the ears. We add lines to mark the inner part of the ear. And then we come back to the eyes. So let's make the irises. It will be 2 lines inside of each eye. Irises need to be very big. Then we add pupils. Cat pupils may be round, may be long as a very thin almond, and we also add 2 circles as the highlights. Next we will draw a bow on the cat neck. Now we can erase all help lines to make drawing more clear. And now it's time for final lines in our illustration. Side line for the body, few hair locks on the top of the head, and also the fur on the cheeks. We may also add the eyebrows. It will add emotion to our illustration. And now we need simply outline all the lines which we previously made with your lead pencil. I use brush and ink. You can use it also. Make sure that your brush has a very thin tip. You may also use just the markers or textures, that is fine. If you use brush or maybe brush marker, so make sure that you can make various lines. It means that sometimes you can press on your brush and your line will be quite wide, but in some places we need literally hold the brush above the paper and just touch the paper very lightly to make your line thin. Lines with different thickness will make your drawing more beautiful. For example, the top part of the eyelid, it will be good to make with very thin line, but the bottom part you can make your line a little bit more thicker. The bottom part also thin. When you start to do the iris, the middle part of the eye, just outline all parts, pupils and highlights, and then color around them. Then we will do all other parts of our illustration. Just remember to make your lines different. In some parts, it will be very great to make your line as thin as possible, and in some parts you may press on your brush and make your line look thicker. Inner part of the bow you also can color with black color. That will add contrast to our illustration. Now let's add final touches to the eyes. That may be eyelashes and also few additional lines around the eyes. For example, thin lines under the bottom lid. at the end we'll add whiskers. Start with the dots on the cheeks and then make your very thin lines in different lengths to make the whiskers. Our illustration is ready. Well done!